Ladies and gentlemen, traders, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to another Relentless recap. Hope you guys are doing good, feeling good. I know you guys can see that thumbnail. And you know what, man? I have to start by saying I'm very proud of myself today. Very proud of myself because I wrote down the adjustments yesterday of what I needed to do. Nasty drop here, nasty drop at ATLN. I wrote down the adjustments of what I needed to do yesterday, and I came in today with that exactly in mind. And early in the day, I started off red because, you know, I tried holding longer. I tried holding longer, but did not see the follow through. And I was saying to the audience that, you know what? The market has this strange way of trying to test you when you're looking to improve on something. It throws a curveball in your face because I'm looking to hold longer today. And it was the kind of day early in the first half of the day where if I was selling for quick profits, I would have actually done extremely well. And so I started the day down 1K after the open, giving back almost all my pre market gains. But I said, you know what? Let's size down, let's manage risk, let's be patient, and let's look forward to good setups and good opportunities. And so when our stock of the day, FCUV, finally broke out, we stepped up to the plate, we took some size, and we looked to hold our position longer. And so as a result, we were able to get $7,500 worth of profits out of that one. And you know what? I did give back 1,500 off the top. Some of it in this indecision candle here. In this, actually, I believe the green candle, and then some of it on this red candle here, getting caught in a flush down. But let's go to single screen here. Actually, so this one started off with a resumption. You know, it got halted up out of nowhere, lighter volume. Initially, I was very skeptical. And after this resumption, the volume came in, and that's what really gave me the courage to start trading this one because I don't really want to get involved with the lighter volume stuff here. So volume came in. We happen to have a red candle here, as you guys can see if we connect the dots there. But lo and behold, red to green. And I got caught trying to buy dips here in the VWAP. It just flushed out on me. Again, some of those trades I was green on realized, but held a little too long. It came right back down on me, right? So very very frustrating early, but eventually we got this red to green, and out of this red to green, we ripped up into a bull flag. The bull flag sadly broke down. So it was a little choppy early. I caught a trade here, buying the breakout into the VWAP level. Risky trade because it doesn't always work. Got a few entries there. And then, you know, again, this is a good example of it getting rejected, right? Just short sellers, boom, right back down. Again, right here, it rips through, boom, right back down. But finally, it held up right here. And this is where I essentially made my money. You guys know me. I bought the high of day breakout here at 490, and then again up into the highs at 530. And I gave my positions a chance, and they opened up for me, and I was able to make some money. Now, I took my biggest position up here actually, expecting continuation out of the resumption trade. And sadly, I took a loss right in this indecision candle. But if this trade had went, man, I would have done extremely well selling into the highs of the new green candle here and us elevating some more. But it was a bit short lived after the sweet move. A hard rejection here, bear flag, consolidation low. So, you know, I'm very happy, man, to come in here and kind of give myself an ultimatum of, hey, is either you do this, man, or you close the curtains on yourself being this version of the trader you see. I see myself doing it so vividly, guys. Yesterday in the recap, I came in, I said, hey, this is where I'm at. This is what I'm looking to do. This is where I'm looking to go. And finally, I can say that I made the day over day improvements. And so today I'm going to study up again, even more after this recap. I'm thinking I need to do a better job earlier in the day to read the temperature of the market. Hey, if it is looking slower, take those quick gains, right? That could have got me up 1K pretty early, and in a maybe even in a better position to capitalize. Hey, take those quick gains early when you see them. If things are slow, but in the event that stocks are strong almost immediately and things are holding up, everything is doing well, pre-market is hot, then that's your cue to then give the positions a little bit more time to open up. And so I do want to say that I'm proud of myself here today for making this adjustment. And the thing is with trading is that this isn't just about today. The key is going to be me moving forward, implementing the same level of discipline and confidence to continue to capitalize off the momentum. So I'm looking forward to being better. I'm looking forward to improving. You know, for me, the name of the game has always been progress. And so that's what I'm going to continue to do. For those of you who are looking forward to joining the community, you guys can feel free to check out the chat room. Check out the Relentless Trading Merciless Markets chat room. This is where it goes down. You guys will see there's a few insane traders here, people doing well. You know, 1,200 here, 1,500 there, 26,000 from Dash. Man, Dash is such a monster. Tim, shout out to Tim. A couple of others with small size going through process over profits. Alice, girls get it done, man. Alice, MMU student, really killing it. Dash, MMU student. Minty, MMU student. There's my daily call from Big Steve, man. Big Steve daily call. I'm going to call him back after recap. So if you guys want to check out the community, guys, just for 14 bucks, Ohad, MMU student, also mentor here as well. Getting it done with 2K in the pre-market session. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. You guys can check out our chat room, which is 14 bucks. Or if you want to go the extra step to learn, I'll show you guys my student account here at Merciless Markets. My student account, I'll show you guys what it looks like. For those of you who want to come in, join, and learn the curriculum, it's here, man. From zero all the way to advance, from knowing nothing to everything that we know. If you want to learn how to trade, this is the best way to do it. And we have a lot of students. We have to do more interviews. Hopefully, some people are a little bit more shy towards the interviews, but hopefully we can get even more interviews. Here's a few. And all of these people, we need to do update interviews because Lucas, for example, crossed over $1 million already since this interview. BMAC, another guy who probably is around that, 800,000-900,000, maybe over 1 million, maybe even over like 1.2 million, right? I can't remember. Andy, also definitely over 1 million. Alice, I think at least over 100,000 by now. We have to add Ohad, Charcoal, Steven. I mean, there's so many people, so many interviews that we have to do and catch up on. Even the brothers deserve an update here. They're probably already over $1 million together as well, right? As a group, as a pair. So yeah, check out the chat room. There's so much here. Mentor sessions that are pre-recorded with so many different trade reviews and study sessions, and then you can also check out some recordings as well, right? So if you want to get involved, Merciless Markets is the way to go. Check out the website. And check out the chat room as well. All right. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay green. It's been the People's Champion, Relentless Trader, looking to be better. And lastly, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and remember our disclaimer. Day trading is risky. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Slowest is the fastest way. Be patient, practice, improve, get better over time, and then you can see results. It's not get rich quick. With that being said, stay safe, stay green. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. for another beautiful live stream.